Uh-oh. He bumped it one time, man.
There he is. There he is. There he is, right there. Come on here. Come on here. What we look like? Oh, yeah, baby. Yeah. Oh, my gosh. Woo! Y'all look at that right there. Holy moly, what a fish. Golly, what a fish. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Listen here, y'all see my buddy old Chops in the back of the boat here? Man, we both told the boss that we had dentist appointments. Man, we slipped off from work and we eased out to the lake. And man, what are you talking about? And man, I want to tell you something. The crickets are on fire. They're moving around. They're wiggling. They're doing their job. And the Bream, they've read the script. They're out here and they're doing what Bream do. Chops is showing these big old Bream the landing strip. You know what I'm saying? Ain't that right, Chops?
I guarantee you, Jack.
The weather's perfect. The fish are biting. The water is calm. Man, we about to show you how it's done. Grab you a cup of coffee, grab you a big old glass of sweet iced tea and sit back. Man, hop in the boat with us. And man, let's catch some big Bream. Let's put some in the boat. Y'all stick around. Y'all gonna like this. Come on, what we got here? Bring around here where we can see.
Man.
Come on here.
My elbows are hurting.
Now we talking. We're getting a little closer now to what we like right here, baby.
Look, I look like a big cab over. Look at him.
That's what I'm talking about, baby.
Hey, I'm gonna put the thumb on that one.
Turn around here and let us look at it.
Come on. Well, I said that. Quit that.
God.
That sucker peed all over me, son. Shut your mouth.
Look here, hold him up
He's
over here.
still
Look at
peeing.
it. That's what I'm talking about right there, fellas. That's a Bream.
That
is a Bream,
inch
man.
and a half thick. You hear me? There we go. Look at there.
That is a dandy. That's what we're after. Let me turn this.
That'll feed 3 5-year-olds right there. Oh.
Let me. There he is, right there, baby.
Oh. Oh.
Did you have one?
I had one. Dadgummit. Woo, that's a good one.
Yeah, big old female.
That's a good one.
Check her out, y'all. Pretty inchy.
I'm looking for a bull. Uh-oh.
Come on, what's happening here?
Show your head, son.
What's happening here?
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
God, that is Dolly Parton right there, son. What? Hey, that's a good one right there. Hey, that'll make the grease stink. Guaranteed.
Oh. I mean, you ever had a cricket bite you?
Bite?
I didn't know they could bite. Yeah, I had one get me good one other day. Man, I thought I was stung.
Huh. I didn't know they could bite you.
I hadn't either, and I squealed out, and it was all on camera. I got rid of that mess. The world know I squealed over a cricket. You got him? You got him?
No, he's a little low. Well, he's doing a pinch. He's doing a pinch. The little female.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, did you see that? That cork went under so hard it made a wake.
Throw back in there. Throw back in there and get him.
There wasn't no nibbling. Uh-oh.
There he is. There he is. That's gonna be a good one.
That's a good one right there.
That's
son.
a good one.
Oh no! Dadgummit. I mean, he was pulling the back end of the boat around. He was that big.
Uh-oh. I'm up here, guys. See right here. There are no fish up there, guarantee you. Golly.
Uh-oh.
Got him?
Man, I don't know. He feels pretty good. That was right out in the middle too.
Maybe a bed right there, man. See what you got. Put him in here around this boat so we can see.
Hey, that's just as good as them other ones. Put the slide on it. Huh? That's right. Come on out of there, big lip.
There he is. It's a female.
That dog will hunt.
You got him? You kind of out in the middle when you hit him too, wasn't you? Boy, he got that thing bowed up.
Oh yeah.
Man, ain't a fish right there. They ain't one in the state of Arkansas. There he is. Look at there. Is he a good one?
I don't think so.
He's acting up.
He's average. Hey, he'll do. He'll do.
Guys, there is nothing I love better than being in a beautiful lake and floating around in an old boat. Man, you know what I'd appreciate it if you do? If you would float on over and go on that subscribe button. Thanks, guys. Oh, where he is right there, baby. There he is. Oh, yeah. Oh, he felt pretty good there. Yeah. Come on here. Let me look at you. Let me look at you. Oh, that's going to be a good one there. Golly, boy. Look at that right there.
Hitting the magnum.
Y'all
you can
check
mount
it out.
that one. That's big enough to thumb. Put that thumb down in there.
Beautiful. I can't believe a tube of crickets is $7, to be honest with you. That's a cricket tariff.
That's right.
You still got tariffs on crickets, man. Somewhere. Look at there. Did it go under?
I didn't see it.
Dude, it looked to me like that sucker hit, never slowed down. Look at it. Look at it. Throw up in there before we get out. There he is. There he is. Look at here. Look at here. Look at here. Look at here. What we got down here? Look at here. Golly, look at here, y'all, at this right here. Look at that. That is absolutely gorgeous. Can y'all see the orange on these fish? Holy smokes, look at that. Look at here. Look at here, Chop.
No, he didn't. No, he didn't. I just got peed on.
That ain't even pee. I hate to break the news to you.
Yeah.
Look here, guys.
Oh yeah, he got it.
There he was right there. Golly, I turned around and my cork was gone.
There he is. There he is.
I can't tell. Oh, he turned it on. He seen the boat and didn't like it. That's a good one. That's a good one, Chops. That's a good one, boy. That's a good one.
Oh my.
That is a good one. Golly, look at that right there. Son. Look at that.
Oh my gosh.
Golly, what a fish. There he is right there, baby. There he is right there. He
Did
running.
you take off?
He running. Come on here. Come on here. Look at that rod bent over. Look at that rod bent over. Put a big one in here. Put a big one in here.
I hope he's a
Oh,
That's a little old nothing again.
little nubbin head.
Oh my goodness.
Boy, he had that pole bent over to be no
Hey.
bigger than that, didn't he?
She got a little old attitude.
I know it. I know
It's
it.
about like all these women running around.
Boy. I hope that makes it on there. Be like the LA ride at your house, cuz. Cause you got a house full of them ladies.
I guarantee you, I'm the only male on the hill.
There he is right there. Hey now. Hey now. Hey now.
You better not have one.
Hey now. Listen here.
That's like 5 in a row.
Look at here. Look at here. Look at her. Look at her. Oh!
Shut your mouth. We know how to get the gaff out.
Man. Chop said we need a gaff to pull him in here.
Good
Listen, man, you'd almost think that's a saltwater fish right there. Y'all hear me?
Woo.
I bet there's another one in there, Chop, right there beside it.
Yeah, it is. I'm coming.
There he is right there. There he is. Oh. He got fired up right there, baby. He was coming to the boat and I didn't. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at here. Look at here. Golly, dude, look at this. Look at this.
Oh.
Man, that is a dandy right there.
That is a house.
Look at that, guys. That is beautiful. Oh my gosh. Look at that sucker run. That may be a bass. Sure that ain't even Bream, man.
Yeah.
Big old Bream. Golly. That sucker.
See?
Look at that. Look how thick he is, Chops. Look at him. Holy smokes.
That son gonna thick as a 2x4. I guarantee you, that's 1.5 inches all day. I'm getting them little old toots. I'm getting mistreated back here.
Oh man, that's a good fish. Thank you, Lord. Oh yeah, baby. Come on here.
It's gonna be another medium female. Watch this.
Man, you on the ladies today.
I'm telling you.
You on the ladies today.
What I tell you? I called it.
Man, you always was a ladies man.
I'm telling you, just simply irresistible.
You like it in school too, huh?
Oh.
Is that right?
That's it, man. That's why I was gonna give you a warning. Don't put me on. Gotta be careful of that camera. People looking for underwear model.
If y'all looking for an underwear model,
Hey, I can model that underwear all day, son. Eat your heart out.
there you go. Hey, that's a fighting like he grown now. Come here, come here.
What we got?
Come here, look at here, look at her, look at her. Guys, check this out. Look at his face all scarred up. God, dude.
What is a state record?
I don't know, that may be the state record right there.
Boy, look at that stud.
You don't know he's free yet, do you?
Hey, that's what you need to do. Make you get on a good dove hunt with a make your video.
Uh-oh, there he is, there he is. Boy, he don't feel big. Uh-oh, he started pulling in. That's funny how they do that. You don't think they're very big and golly.
Look at that, son.
Oh, he right there where you at. There he is, y'all. That's a good one. Pretty. Man, I've come out here before. That's a bass, dude. Hang tight, hang tight. That's a bass. He hit it when you was really hit your cord.
Right? Boy, she's had a buzz, baby. Look here. He got it.
He had your cord.
He had it.
That's all he had was your cord.
Right.
You got one way over there?
Look here. Look here.
Uh-oh.
Do we have another woman? Do we have another woman? It ain't much. Come around here. I'm telling you.
Boy, you on with the ladies, friend.
Man. Everyone, that's a big old gal too.
Look at there. Look at him. Look at him. Hit it again. He
I
going.
was within a foot of that a while ago.
Boy, he tried to swallow it. He might have got my. There he is right there. Got him. Got him. Look at him. He wants your line. Oh, come here. Come here. Go, Chop.
No. I was within a foot of that. Shut your mouth.
Woo, baby.
I just need to go get me a cane pole and a 5-gallon bucket and sit on the bank.
Where's them players at? Quit playing. Him and
Oh
play.
my God.
Oh, that's a good one.
You're going to start all the way over on that.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Look at this creep up in this. Dude, I ain't in a bind here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Is it a big one?
No. No. I got another woman.
No, that's a male.
Hey.
Hey, man. We're going to put that on front cover of the Rolling Stones there, baby.
Oh, eat your heart out, son.
Turn around here where we can see this thing.
Finally. That's what we call the big cab over. Just go down and hit right to him.
I just want to let y'all know, in case my boss asks, everything come out all right at the dentist appointment.
Yes.
No cavities, teeth was clean, x-rays was good.
Rock and roll.
Well, folks, that's a wrap on today's episode of Responsible Adults Make Questionable Decisions. My buddy here rolled up to my office talking about quarterly reports and spreadsheets, but somehow we ended up debating whether an 8-inch brim was actually 10 inches by the time we got back to shore. It's funny how that works. Until next time, keep your lines tight, your excuses creative, and definitely call an old friend who knows all your college stories, but hopefully won't tell your current co-workers about them. And if anyone asks, we're definitely at the dentist office. Tight lines, y'all.